Hi, this is Paul from Cheap Phone Reviews. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to review the Poundland iPhone charger, or the Lightning charger. We've got a, it's for an iPhone 5, 6 or 7, and it's meant to be a fast charger, so we're going to go against original Apple charger. Okay, so this is the charger. This bit obviously you can see straight away is longer, thicker, so basically this won't fit in a lot of cases because of that. Yeah, that's not great. I didn't really notice that when I bought them, but there you go. It's not all about that today. Cable wise, it's all right, I suppose, but I mean, this is a lot of problem with these. Apparently they just break at the ends. But we're going to try and charge, and we're going to see what it does. So over 25 minutes against original Apple cable. So I'm going to plug this both into original plugs. So there you go, they're both original Apple plugs. Plug those both in there, and then we're going to plug the non-original cable in, and we'll plug this in first. So this is original Apple cable. Rightio. Okay, so this one here has got 20%, and this one here has got 22%. Okay, here we go. So that is charging. Yep, that is actually charging, and that's charging too. Here's our timer, 25 minutes. Well, comment below and tell me what you think. What food do you reckon is going to win? Is there going to be a lot of difference? So we've got 20%, 22%. Now we're going to go speed. 10. Here we go. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? I'm thinking they're probably going to be both the same, but we could be extremely wrong. Right. Poundland one first. Okay, the Poundland one has got 47%, so that's gone up 27%. And this one has got 48%. Okay, so this has got 48%, and that the Poundland cable's got 47. So technically, no, I wasn't expecting that. Technically, the Poundland cable put 2% more in this phone than that did in that. Yeah, at the time of picking them both up, or at least 1% more. I mean, that's just turned to 48, but wow. Okay, so that was 26, and that was 28%. No, 20. Was that 27 or 28? I can't remember what it says. I can't remember if it's 48 or 47 when I pulled it off now. 27 or 28. Anyway, there's 2% difference in between the original Apple cable and that. So technically, the Poundland charger put 1 to 2% in more. Wow. I don't know what to say, to be honest with you, because I really weren't expecting that. There you go. A Poundland cable's not as bad as I generally thought it would be. It all comes down to whether the Poundland whether it lasts. That's the thing. But power wise, that is putting. If you get the fast charge one, they did have normal ones there, but I don't know whether the normal ones are better or anything. But if you're going in an actual Poundland, it's not round a pound or anything like that, it's Poundland. This is the one that I got, and this was in the Sittingbourne Poundland. It does say fast charge on it. There you go. What can I say? Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Well done to Poundland for keeping up on their cable situation. Not bad. Right guys, thanks very much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. Sub button's down below. Subscribe to see lots more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.